What's up, everyone? Luxury subscriber? Or yet? No problem. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you all. I recently went on an epic cruise vacation with the whole crew. That's right, my awesome family. Get ready to join us on this unforgettable journey aboard the Carnival Venezia cruise ship. Trust me, you won't want to miss this family adventure. So before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, share the love, and if you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you never miss out on our awesome travels and experiences. All right, let's set sail. Exterior and boarding Carnival Venezia cruise ship. And just like that, we're on board the Carnival Venezia. We're stoked to explore all the amazing amenities and experiences this ship has to offer. From the moment we stepped on, we knew this was going to be an adventure to remember. Cabin Tour Carnival Venezia. All right, guys, we're aboard the magnificent Carnival Venezia, and we're about to take you on an exclusive tour of our cabin. From the moment you step in, you'll see that cruise ship living is all about experiencing luxury and coziness all at once. The cabins on board the Carnival Venezia are also modern and comfortable in Italian style. Among other things, the ship has 969 balcony cabins. The cabin categories are divided into inside-outside balcony cabins and suites. The cabins are approx 13-20 sqm in size. The suites are up to approx 31 sqm. The new type of terrazza cabins have a private outdoor area and allow for a more intimate and private atmosphere. Guests also have exclusive access to the Terrazza Carnival. Guests under 21 must be accompanied by an adult. Dining option. Culinary variety is also offered on board the Carnival Venezia. The main restaurants offer a variety of dishes in a friendly atmosphere. Various other restaurants offer specialities, so that every guest on board also gets their money's worth in culinary terms. The ship has a total of 13 restaurants. Whether you want to marvel at Asian acrobatics in the Bonsai Teppanyaki restaurant, enjoy fine Italian meat in the Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, or prefer a Japanese experience in the Bonsai Sushi, the choice is yours. The Piano Bar 88 and Serenity Bar, as well as the Heroes Tribute Bar, invite you for a delicious drink. On-board activities and entertainment. On board the Carnival Venezia, Venetian Carnival awaits you all year round. Impressive shows are presented in the large theater hall. Alternatively, you can relax in the Cloud9 Spa and the Serenity adult-only retreat. Pool deck and outdoor spaces. Nestled amidst the azure expanse of the sea, Carnival Venezia's pool deck is a symphony of relaxation and entertainment. Picture yourself lounging on plush sunbeds, soaking up the sun's gentle embrace as the rhythmic sound of the waves provides the backdrop for your perfect getaway. The pool's crystal-clear waters invite you for a refreshing dip, while the poolside bars ensure you're never far from your favorite drink. Kids and family activities. The ship's children's areas are ideal for families and offer a range of games for indoors and outdoors. Mini golf, table tennis, a PlayStation area, and the Rope Garden Adventure Park provide entertainment. Children and teenagers will never be bored on a Carnival cruise. For children, there are age-appropriate areas such as Camp Ocean, Circle C, and Club O2. Outside, you can enjoy Waterworks Sports Square, which features a high ropes course, jogging track, and mini golf, as well as the outdoor fitness center. Before we wrap up, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed joining us on this unforgettable family cruise vacation. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can be part of our future adventures. And hey, if you know anyone who's looking for family travel inspiration, go ahead and share this video with them. Spread the love, guys. Happy cruising.